Samsung might kill Galaxy Fold for something better. Stick around. What's up guys? If you thought Samsung is done with foldable phones, you are wrong. The major leak regarding the Galaxy Fold 2 is here. And yes, I know that the original Galaxy Fold, the first generation model, isn't even released to the public yet. It had a lot of issues that Samsung has reportedly solved. According to Samsung Electronics Display Vice President Kim Seung-chul, in an event in Korea, he said that most of the display problems have been ironed out. But still, there is no sign of any information regarding the release of Galaxy Fold. The suppliers have been put on standby. We don't know when it's coming, if it's even coming. Samsung might just kill the Galaxy Fold. Because of all the issues, Samsung might not be confident about releasing it to the public. After all, it's a $2,000 product. Perhaps killing and replacing it with something better could be the right thing to do. So Samsung is already working behind the scenes for a next generation of the Galaxy Fold 2, or you could say an improved version of the Galaxy Fold. This is an actual report coming from South Korea, not a patent or anything. A proper report that says Samsung is gearing up to release a mega Galaxy Fold 2 with some key upgrades as soon as possible. Yes, according to this Korean report, Samsung Electronics are preparing a second generation Galaxy Fold that has a 8-inch display, which is a little bit bigger than the 7.3-inch display of the Galaxy Fold, along with a much needed S Pen upgrade. The original Galaxy Fold, for some reason, there was no S Pen support for it, which didn't actually make any sense because this is a large tablet-like device and it must have the S Pen support. But now, the improved version of the Galaxy Fold, or the Galaxy Fold second generation, is set to have the support for the S Pen, similar to the Galaxy Note. Furthermore, it's been mentioned regarding the release of this device is that in December of this year, Samsung could announce it, and it might be released to the public in the first half of 2020. The article further states that just before December, the November 25th day is the day when Samsung Electronics could launch a second generation Galaxy Fold. It's gonna have the same fold-in mechanism as the original Galaxy Fold, meaning the fold will occur inward. So no outward folding like the Mate X. Samsung is sticking with its inward folding mechanism, and honestly, I just want them to nail the design perfect. At this point, I don't even care about if it's fold outward or inward. I just want a perfect Galaxy Fold into the market, and this might just be it. The article further says that Samsung has ordered the development of S Pen parts for the Galaxy Fold with suppliers. This second generation is expected to be based on the Galaxy Note 10 series, probably the Note 10 Pro. We're gonna see the similar specs as well as the S Pen Sport and the new 45 hours of fast charging. Along with all that, most importantly, Samsung will fix the design once and for all and finally give us their first foldable phone. This might not be a Galaxy Fold second generation because it's gonna be mainly based on the specification of the current gen devices. In my opinion, the Galaxy Fold 2 has to come based on the Galaxy S11 specification. With the same specification as the current devices, this might just be a replacement for the original Galaxy Fold. Again, nothing is confirmed at this point, but this all points towards a new replacement device for the Galaxy Fold with updated display and specs and support for the S Pen, and it could get announced in the December of this year. Again, one thing for sure, that Samsung is definitely working on a new foldable phone behind the scenes. Whether it's a new foldable phone or an improved foldable phone, they are working on a new device, that's for sure, because foldable phones are definitely the next big thing. They are the next big innovation, and Samsung wants to be the best in it, and that's why they're doing what they're doing. All in all, this looks like a nice improvement. If they actually fix all the problems, then it's looking like a great upgrade, honestly. So let me know your thoughts regarding the second generation of Galaxy Fold leak report. What are your thoughts? Do you think that Samsung will finally nail it this time? Let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.